Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am giving you some new L'Oreal drugstore makeup. It's for summer. It's their Bronze Please, Blush Please. So basically it's a summer bronze extravaganza of gorgeous glowy things. And I found this at Walmart. I don't know if it's a Walmart exclusive. I know that they have other collections that have been at Ulta, and I have not tried any of them, but this one intrigued me, and so I thought what I would do is I just bought one of each, and I thought, well, I'll share them with you, and then that way we can decide if they're worth it, and if you see it at your stores and you're like, oh yeah, Rebecca did this and she liked it, or Rebecca did that and she didn't like it, so move on. I wanted to start with this Beach Bay. Like I said, I bought these items myself, so I don't have the entire collection. I tried to get one product of each, one shade, because, but there's about at least 2 options, whether it's blush, bronzer, body lotion with some shimmer, gloss. There might even be 3 glosses, so yeah, just wanted to let you know about that. This is what I noticed first on the shelf, and I'm like, what is this? I am a sucker for shimmering body lotion. I am. So I thought, let's give this a try. It's called Beach Bay Face and Body Luminizer. I'm not going to use this on my face because guess what? Let's see here. It has denatured alcohol in the third ingredient. The second ingredient is glycerin, which is great. There is actually not a ton of fragrance in this product. I thought it would smell like, ooh, tropical or something, and it didn't. It's kind of pricey for drugstore. I mean, I think it was $14 or $15. It's beautiful. You know, I did buy the new Kim Kardashian body, just the shimmer lotion, not the makeup. And I can do a comparison if you want on body shimmer, moisturizer, body bling, body. So, yeah, I love putting on shimmery lotion on my shoulders, on my legs. Love it. In fact, I'm going to use a brush and do it right now on my shoulders, and we can decide what we think. So this was the light to medium, and then there was a more darker bronzier shade. Sometimes I pick the bronze, the dark shade, even though I am a fair person, just because it's nice. Sometimes the light shade just really doesn't show up. This is pretty. I did try that copper tone shimmer stuff, and I appreciate it because it is sunscreen. This does not have any SPF protection, so definitely apply your SPF beforehand. But I like the copper tone, the fact that it's an SPF with shimmer, but the shimmer, in my opinion, is just kind of glittery. I wish it had a little more, I don't know, body perfecting. This top is weird. It like cuts me off right at the collarbone, so I'm not really giving you a good, don't ask me. I got this is a Banana Republic top from TJ Maxx. Like, why? I don't even know. Sometimes when I see that stuff, I go, is this supposed to be here? Okay, so it's beautiful. Look at that shoulder. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I have makeup on, but I don't have sort of the fun stuff. I have some contour, but I don't have bronzer, etc. So let's get cracking. This bronze, it's called Bronze Please, and it is this giant pan. Why do we love a giant bronzer pan? I mean, there's something, I think, because then you can just use this big brush of some kind, and you can, you know, put it on your body and everywhere. It has a nice scent to it, but not, yeah. And there is that one bronze palette, not a palette, but you know, the one bronzer that L'Oreal made. I never did buy that, but it's got more shimmer. This looks matte. So it's called, this shade is Laterra, and it's 01. And you can see there's a really pretty emboss. It reminds me a little bit of that, the Guerlain, you know, that's been so, gosh, if that's not just a cult classic item. So it has a nice, let's see here, because I did that over the, yeah, so it's like a semi-matte, like a satin bronze, and it's soft. It's kind of nice. So let's use a fluffy, something fluffy and soft. Just kind of, I mean, I am sort of bronzed. Let's be real. And I did some self-tanner on my neck and chest, so that's why I look a little darker, because I had to match, you know, what my self-tan was going to be. This is very subtle. I like it. Can you guys tell? It's pretty. It's not sparkly or anything. Look at me. Woo, way. Now this one is sparkly. This is Blush Please Shimmering Blush. This shade is called Blushin' in Saint-Tropez. Blushing in Saint-Tropez. Sorry, I know. I'm like, can you just read it like a normal person? Looks very NARS orgasm-y, you ask me. You can see how it has some shimmer to it. Let's see if that shimmer is through and through or just a spray over. Well, a bit of both. So I've definitely wiped off some of the more prominent shimmer, but you can see there is shimmer throughout. That is a lovely shade. Wow. I mean, this collection, it's like, hi, it screams vacation. I'm not really going anywhere for vacation. There's no Hawaii or Disney trip on the in the plan. I feel like I'm just adding more color where I might not need any, but you know. Okay, so this has some sparkle. I'm gonna stop because I don't know if you can see, but this definitely has some flecks of sparkle, some little bit of gold. Kind of looks like fallout from eyeshadow. It's not bad, it's pretty, but it might not be for everyone. It's a lovely kind of apricot shade. Now we have Glowing Lip Gloss. This is really, looks beautiful. This is Shell We Dance. I love a pun. It has kind of this tropical packaging, you know what I mean. Please don't let this be used. I don't think so. Because when it doesn't have that safety seal and you open it and you're just like, oh, great. But it does look like it's never been messed with. It has just like a sweet scent to it. It's, ooh, very J-Lo. I like it. The doe foot is large and kind of scoopy. Like it has, see, like it really, golly, it like holds the product so you can really apply it. In fact, I might have applied too much. If you like neutral, you know, it would be awesome if they had put some SPF in this. I just feel like any kind of lip gloss that's sort of summer, why not? Why not just throw an SPF and then that way we can just slap it onto the beach and not worry about our lips getting burned, because my lips get sunburned all the time. You can kind of feel it, like you don't see it, but it feels kind of, they feel chapped and kind of tight. And sort of getting a little more lip. Yeah, I definitely like this. It's pretty. It's pretty. L'Oreal is not the cheapest drugstore makeup, so that's why I think it's important to, you know, obviously, normally I don't splurge, but I thought, well, it looks like a pretty collection that I will get some use out of, and then that way I can share with you guys. So I really think I like all of it. I don't remember if there's any eye products, like any kind of liquid eyeshadows or just eyeshadows in general. I don't think there was. I think I like everything. I would probably just skip the blush because of its sparkle. I don't need any more sparkle. I mean, once I've got kind of, if I throw on like a setting spray that's illuminating, if I've got some highlighter going on, you know, I don't need just a kind of random sparkles, but yeah. And if you wanted to use this on your face, you are more than welcome. If you're not sensitive to things that like denatured alcohol, you know, have fun, right? Okay. I'm shimmering. Yeah, I think it's this bronzer. I love that it's so big and it's like matte, but kind of semi-matte. I like it. Okay, guys. There you go. I'll list everything. If I find it online, I will list it below. If I don't find it online, then do know that I did pick these up at Walmart. So be on the lookout. Maybe your end caps will have some new stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give that red button, wherever it is, a press. Then click that bell for notifications. I usually upload about 2 or 3 times a week. And follow me on Instagram if you like. There is a link also in the description box. And enjoy. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.